Welcome to episode 14 of The Daily Planner. This is David Monroe, your host for the show, and today I'm afraid I've got to do something a little different. This morning while I was preparing for the episode and my son was getting ready for school, he came upstairs as he was getting ready to leave and said, "Dad, we got a problem." I said, "Son, what's the problem?" He said, "There's a flood in the hallway between the bedroom and the kitchen." And I said, "You have to be kidding me." So I went downstairs and sure enough, a pipe has burst in my master bathroom wall, which has caused a flood in my master bath, my bedroom, the hallway on my cherry wood floors, and the living room on my cherry wood floors, and the half bath in between. So I immediately called our plumber, who we had an appointment with today anyway. We had an assumption that we had a leak underneath our slab and wanted to get that looked at and let him know it is now an emergency and if he could move a little faster. Got upstairs, made my insurance claim with the insurance company, and have been soaking water up for the last couple of hours. So needless to say, I'm afraid we're not going to have the Daily Planner episode today. I will return tomorrow where I will review Wednesday's efforts because needless to say, I've canceled everything I had planned for today. This is now my focus. We currently don't have any water. And then we'll do our daily goals or our daily big three for Friday. Again, I apologize. This is a new podcast and I hate that we had to do this quickly, but an emergency situation takes precedent, and I'm trying to save my cherry wood floors. So we will talk to you guys tomorrow, and hopefully you're having a better day than I am. But the good news is insurance should cover all this. We just have some minor inconveniences to deal with in the meantime. You guys have a great day. Bye.